Principal ma'am, can we start the program?
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. A very pleasant morning to all the dignitaries, teachers, and my dear students, who all are present over the digital platform. Students, no program could be possible without taking the blessings of God. So we are starting our this ceremony with our Saraswati Vandana, digital lighting of the lamp ceremony. So I am requesting Neha ma'am.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदा जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Thank you so much, Neha ma'am. I, Assistant Professor Amal Salve, on behalf of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti's College of Law, welcome you all on this occasion of our first convocation ceremony of LLB 3 years batch of 2017-18. I would like to start this ceremony with the popular quotations of a very renowned personality, Nelson Mandela. A good head and good heart are always formidable combination. But when you add to that a literate tongue or pen, then you have something very special. Very well said. This is very correctly applicable to all you new graduates. When we talk about the significance of graduation day, graduation ceremony, the significance that graduation ceremony holds in any student's life cannot be described in words. Every student always dreams of this day. It is a defining moment in any student's life, giving a huge boost to self-esteem and confidence. It shows the success that a student achieves after years of their hard works and devotions toward their studies. It also depicts the amount of desire and determination that are shown by a student to finally be able to achieve his aim. A graduation is not just an end, it is new beginning, start of new chapter in your life. Whether it be another higher educational year or the entry into the workforce. I would like to conclude my introductory speech with another words of very prominent personality, Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey, an American talk show host, television producer, actress, author, and philanthropist, she said, Learn from every mistake because particularly your mistakes are there to teach you and force you into being more who you are. Then figure out what is the next right move. The key to life is to develop an internal moral, emotional GPS that can tell you which way to go. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request our Honorable Principal Madam, Dr. Madhura Karamkar, kindly give welcome speech on this occasion. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Amar sir. Good morning and warm welcome on the today's present occasion, Convocation Ceremony 2021. On behalf of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti College of Law, I welcome our Honorable Secretary, Dr. Rajendra Singh sir, our Director, Usha Mukundan madam, and our guest of honor, UK Nambiar sir. Today's ceremony marks a culmination of years of hard work, the actualizations of the goals attained, and the acknowledgement of success achieved. So it is only fitting that we commemorate the road that we have all traveled together these last few years. And you are our 2017 is our first batch that started our academic journey in our college and have been instrumental in the growth of our institution. You all have gained new knowledge and skills that you can now take into the world. You will have found new friends who hopefully will last to be a lifetime with you. So on this historic day, the first graduation ceremony in Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti College of Law, as you cross a milestone today with the next stage of your life before you. So it gives me a great pleasure to share my joy in leading the students of this institution into lifelong learning and your first steps into your career. I hope your time here has equipped you to take that step with confidence and the spirit of adventure, to be bold, to be creative, to be innovative, to be fair and just, and make your own impact. Providing good quality education would not have been possible without the constant support and guidance of our management and dedications of our teachers. I would also like to mention the support of our administrative, technical, and non-teaching staff. We are proud that we have been able to offer you teaching and a student experience that has led you your growing up creatively, intellectually, and spiritually. So we hope you remain part of your community as an alumni. Most importantly, I would like to acknowledge the efforts put in by you all the students in the pursuits of excellence. So I appreciate each student who actively participate in the co-curricular and extracurricular activities with their commitment to the curriculum. So I congratulate each and every one of you on the successful achievement of graduation. It is a very proud moment for us all, and I'm sure it is for all of you also, and for the family and friends here to support you today. So all the best for your future endeavors, studies, advocacy, and legal practice. Continue to keep your spirit high and achieve successes. I would like to conclude my speech by quoting Minor Myers Jr. Go into the world and do well, but more importantly, go into the world and do good. All the best to all of you. Now I will request our Honorable Director Madam, Usha Mukundan Madam, to introduce our Chief Guest and the Guest of Honors. Over to you, Usha Madam.
Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Respected Dr. Rajendra Singh, Honorary Secretary, Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti. This college, HVPS College of Law, is the child and very appropriately said, the baby of Dr. Rajendra Singh, who has a lot of dreams in his eyes, and he always dreams with his eyes open. Our mentor in all our journey, Professor Nambiar sir, welcome to HVPS College of.
Thank you, madam.
Madhura madam has asked me to introduce you. I would say, besides your so many qualifications, you have been instrumental giving birth to this college. So the
Thank
conceivement
you.
of the college was done by our very visionary secretary, Dr. Rajendra Singh. But as a midwife, you have brought life to the college. And I'm very sure in all our journey, you will do hand holding for us and guide us to make this college, as Dr. Rajendra Singh, that #1 college, not only in University of Mumbai, but in our country, providing quality education to all the students who come to this college. Nambiar sir, you are a person, a multinational person, a person who can find ways, even if somebody is lost in the woods. So that person can be a torch bearer for anyone. But we request that you be with us in all our journey. And this beginning of legal education, but many more milestones will come in our path of success, and Dr. Rajendra Singh join together. So on behalf of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, we extend a very, very warm welcome to you for this first graduation program. And as you know that the first batch is always a very coveted batch. Dear students, you have paved a way of proving that our students are the best, and wishing you all good luck in whatever you do. Let each one of you have a Midas touch, and they appropriately said that in legal education, what is very important is to be fair and just. So whenever you are at the helm of the activity, whenever you are in court and practicing, always ensure that nobody is deprived of justice. So thank you very much, Principal Madhura Madam, for giving me this opportunity to welcome our very wonderful guest, Professor Nambiar, for this graduation ceremony, and our very beloved Honorary Secretary, Dr. Rajendra Singh, who is always us, guiding us and providing the institution each and everything that is required for a good institution. So thank you very much. All of you have a great day. If it had been a convocation in person, I'm very sure each one of you would have thrown the hats and enjoyed, had a gala time, but at your own house, I am sure you can do that. Stay safe, stay healthy. So good luck to each one of you. And thank you very much, Nambiar sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Usha madam. Now I will request our Honorable Secretary to say a few words on today's occasion. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I thank Principal of HPPS College of Law for giving me this opportunity to be present here as a chief guest in the convocation program of first batch of third year LLB of HPPS College of Law in the year 2020-21. Present for this function is our friend and guide to the HPPS College of Law, Nambiar sir, and principal of HPPS College of Law, Dr. Madhura Kalamkar madam, director of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, Dr. Usha Mukundan madam, all the members of teaching and non-teaching faculty of HPPS College of Law, my dear students, and all the guests who have joined this digital platform. First of all, I thank everyone present here because it was my dream to start a law college in Ghatkopar. And I also pursue that dream that it should be one of the best law colleges, not only in the city of Mumbai, but in the country whole country, and we must impart quality education in field of law. And I thank Nambiar sir, who was my guide during the course of getting approval for this college, HPS College of Law, and he still continues to guide us. And I always look upon to him if I have to take any advice or any suggestion as far as law college is concerned. And I'm also proud that we have been successfully completed 3 years, and my first batch of would-be lawyers has completed 3 years graduation course. Many of them will continue in LLM, while most of them will go out into the practice, or they will take up some job or do whatever they feel good is for their career. I always feel that professionals have to be very knowledgeable, whether it is doctor, chartered accountant, or lawyer, because I've seen if you have got good knowledge of the subject, your performance is much better and you can deliver much better in respect of your practice, or on respect of whatever job you are doing in the field of law or legal services. And this is one thing, which is not accessible to a common man. I feel that all my students who are passing out today will have a motto in their life that they should work hard for achieving their success, and they must earn money, they must earn reputation. At the same time, they also have to see that they must help poor who cannot afford or who cannot pay for legal services. They must help them out, and they must take up their cases free of charge. They must help them free of charge. I think this is the only request I'll be making for all my students who are graduating today and completing their LLB and moving on to the life. And I thank everyone present here for making this occasion memorable. और मैं सबसे कहता हूँ कि जो भी पहली चीज होती है वो हमेशा जीवन में इतिहास में लिखी जाती है। तो ये पहला बैच जो है HPS कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ का, ये हमेशा हिस्ट्री में रहेगा। जैसे कॉलेज जब अपनी संस्था शुरू हुई 1938 में, तो हम 1938 का ही जिक्र करते हैं कि 1938 की बैच में कौन से स्टूडेंट थे, कौन टीचर था, कौन प्रिंसिपल था। सिमिलरली 1963 में कॉलेज शुरू हुआ, झुंझुनवाला कॉलेज शुरू हुआ, तो उस समय फर्स्ट बैच में कौन से स्टूडेंट्स थे, कौन टीचर था, कौन प्रिंसिपल था, यही हमेशा रिकॉर्ड में रहता है। बाकी कंसेक्यूटिव ईयर्स तो चर्चा में थोड़े दिन रहते हैं, बाद में लोग भूल जाते हैं। तो ये यू आर लकी कि आप हमेशा HPS कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ के हिस्ट्री में आपका नाम दर्ज होगा कि ये पहली बैच थी जिससे कि ये अपना लॉ कॉलेज का सफर यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था। जैसे जैसे कॉलेज पुराना होगा, आगे जाते जाएगा, इसका नाम बढ़ेगा, वैसे वैसे आपका नाम और इसमें उज्जवल होते जाएगा। तो मैं आप सबको फिर से अपनी समिति की तरफ से और अपने सभी सहयोगियों की तरफ से आप सबका अभिनंदन करता हूं, और आप लोगों को एक शुभकामना देता हूं कि आगे आपका भविष्य उज्जवल हो, आप अच्छा जीवन जिए और देश में और शहर में और महाराष्ट्र में एक अच्छे नागरिक और एक अच्छे वकील के रूप में आपका नाम जाना जाए। और इसी के साथ मैं अपने I would like to conclude my speech. I once again thank Dr. Madhura Kalamkar for giving this opportunity to be present here. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdoms and giving guidelines to our students for their future life. Now I will request our guest of honor, Dr. U.K. Nambiar, sir, to say a few words on this occasion. He is the principal of MCT College of Law. Though he is having any other, he is working in the other fields, but still he don't want to introduce that kind of things. So now I will request our guest of honor, sir, to say few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Mathura. I would like to read out my pretext speech, which will save much time of this event. So I will start reading this. Honorable chief guest of today's event and Secretary of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, Dr. Rajendra Singh ji, Honorable Director of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, Dr. Usha Mugundan ji, Honorable Founder Principal of HPPS College of Law, Dr. Mothira Kalamkar ji, my good friend Professor Amar Salve ji, my former student Mrs. Saisha Ghosalkar ji, and other dignitaries, the passed out students, and other all participants of the convocation ceremony. Dear all, the first convocation ceremony of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti College of Law has been beautifully staged with a highly charged atmosphere filled with abundant enthusiasm and energization on this virtual platform that has been adorned with the esteemed presence of eminent personalities and the excited students community. I have been delighted to see that a major chunk of students of 2017-18 first batch have passed out with flying color, and they are on the path towards their dreamed profession of their choice. I believe in your minds, you might have set your goal of practicing law as a profession in courtrooms, while a few of you may be fondling with your dreams of enhancing your academic qualification for your career growth, and a few of you may be nursing your ambition to work in giant corporate firms. Unlike in the past, for law graduates, job opportunities are wide open in India and abroad, where your expertise could be recognized and you can invest your theoretical insights and experimental virtuosity in exchange of handsome salary and other service benefits. I leave the choice for your interest and passion. While we talk about the mind-blowing opportunities on one hand, there is a disturbing part on the other hand, which is the contemporary challenge being faced by the world economy, followed by the outbreak of first and second mutation of COVID-19. Now the third mutation is on the anvil, is sounding the continuation of the undecided and unhappy days that currently we are going through. The whole universe is perplexed and the mankind under the sun is horrified as the unprecedented situation of COVID pandemic has ravaged the economic spectrum at global level, and the new normal situation has ultimately affected badly and very sadly the very employment sector universally in general and in India in particular. Needless to say, the legal professionals in our country are not an exception when the courts are almost closed and many of them have rendered jobless. Foreign countries have sealed their borders and closed the gateway of job markets. Students, I'm very sorry to say, my attempt is not to demoralize you, not to scare you, but only mean to unravel the global phenomena that has eclipsed the survival of human race in an alarming dimension. But we should not ignore the fact that the COVID will not sustain for an unending period in this planet. While the medical science as a whole has launched a blistering and fatal attack on coronavirus so as to retrieve the normal life and bring back the world economy in a war footing mode. Relentless research are under fast progress and the vaccination is on the way to reach at every household. So look at for a best future. In the backlash of disastrous impact of COVID pandemic, the entire globe is all about to acknowledge the success of science and research in the days to come. A remarkable advantage in the new normal situation is the paradigm shift of conventional teaching systems into the digital mode, which has definitely helped you to sharpen your technical skill so as to deal with the emerging advanced methodologies in legal practice or at your workplace. The spontaneous influence of digitalization has crept into the areas of admission, education, examination, meetings, workshops, and even into the social events too. online activities have become more and more popular and familiar to you. And now you all are well equipped and comfortable with the new system. Bright future is ahead of you. Bright future is ahead of you as soon as the normal life is returned with the courts being opened for regular business. We can undoubtedly say all the courts will be deluged with the case of new and backlogs. With the situation improving, the doors of the job market in the country and abroad will be broadly opened for your entry with ample job opportunities and handful of remunerations. Remember that India is the largest human resource exporting nation as far as the foreign legal employment sector is concerned. Students, I would like to call upon you the social responsibility of a lawyer with regard to the major task of nation building. Advocates are the frontline workers of building a fair and impartial judiciary, which is an integral and inevitable part of a national building. In a country like India, where constitution reigns supreme, protection of fundamental rights is vested in the judiciary. So the advocates must be conscious about the responsibility apart from their professional ethics and duties. Social responsibility makes a man distinctive, whereas the other creeds live only for themselves. But man of any kind in the society is socially and emotionally bound to the society and committed to the public welfare. Meaning and objective of social responsibility cannot be completed without adding the flavor of sacrifice by every citizen, including the lawyer community. Students, students are armed with a law degree. Now, this is your time to think about your fellow citizens in all the ways how you can help them. Lawyers and national movement India is the history of India. 2-century-old colonial rule gifted legal education to India, and it has produced many national leaders, those who were well regarded for discharging their social responsibility to free their motherland from alien rule. Legal education helped them to learn the citizens' rights, which were overridden by the rulers, giving up their attractive income and high standard of living. Many of our national leaders had spent their lives for guarding the motherland. Nothing else. It was the special social responsibility that prompted Barrister Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to jump into the fiery freedom movement, as did his predecessor, the great national leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In the pre-independent era, an eminent lawyer, Dadabhai Naoroji, who played a key role in forming International Congress, a national outfit for achieving the goal of independence. Only because of the social responsibility bestowed on them, Motilal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad, all outstanding lawyers of that time, had traveled beyond their professional limits, and they discharged their social responsibilities in various capacities. This list is unending. There are much more names in their categories to be mentioned and remembered for their commemorable role, priceless contribution, and unequal sacrifice in the process of building a welfare nation. And they themselves emerged as the role model to their succeeding lawyers. Look at the post-independent era. In the post-independent era, we cannot forget the lawyers like M.C. Mehta for his admirable role through various public interest litigations in protecting the rich environment from being destroyed or depleted. His priceless efforts have resulted into the enactment of environmental law in 1985 by the government of India. It was the lawyer Naina Kapoor, through her PIL, obtained an order from Supreme Court setting guidelines to prevent the sexual harassment at workplace. This benchmark case is known as Vishaga versus State of Rajasthan. A large number of lawyers are working as NGOs and activists across the nation as a part of their social responsibility. I have come across with some lawyers who took up briefs at free of cost for the merit of the case, by which justice can be dispensed to the needy people of socially and economically backward strata. I would like to utilize this occasion to advise you to keep aside a certain part of your valuable time, knowledge, skill, and earnings for the betterment of the marginalized people. I wish you all the best in your career and wish you fortune and prosperity in your life as well. Just one more minute, I will take, Doctor.
No problem.
As Dr. Usam Mundan and Dr. Rajendra Singh said, I am overwhelmed to mention here that I have been maintaining a close range relation with Hindi Vidya Prajar Samiti and its Honorable Secretary, Dr. Rajendra Singh, the Director of HVPS, Dr. Usha Mugundan, and the Founder Principal, Dr. Mathura Kalamkar, in the pursuit of opening a law college in the heartland of central suburb at Ghatkopar. I have been a fellow traveler of this prestigious body from the very inception of the law college in 2017-18, and all of them named here have given me numerous opportunities to work with them as good as their family member of this pioneer institution, which has been catering the need of thousands of students learning in various streams under the roof of HVPS since the last 8 decades. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you. Thanks to all. Dr. Mathura.
Secretary, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, now we are going to start with this ceremony.
Okay.
First
Please
of all,
carry on, please.
First of all, we are starting with first 3 rank holder of our batch, first batch of this convocation ceremony. I would request our Secretary of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, Dr. Rajendra Singh sir, kindly do the honor. Sir, first 3 rank holder in descending order. So we are starting with rank 3.
Okay. Now I declare the third ranker of this year 2021 exams is Pandey Chandra Prakash Chandra Bhan.
Please clap for him. Now second rank. Sir, please. Sir, you need to unmute from your side.
The second ranker is Patange Mohit Milin.
Clap everyone for him. Congratulations. Now,
shall I go to the first ranker?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A very big suspense.
Now I declare the first ranker Pokle Iksha Devendra.
Congratulations. Clap for him.
Congratulations to all the 3 rankers.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we are going to take one by one convocation certificate of our every student of this batch. I'm requesting Neha ma'am to start in alphabetical order. Borade Sanket, clap for him. Big congratulations. Savan Riddhi. Chheda Rohan. Big congratulations. Clap for him. Dairan Sridevi. Congratulations. Dubey Rahul. Next is Divedi Harish. Next is Dharat Tanvi. Kind request to all, please clap for these people. They are our first batch graduates, law graduates. Gupta Ankita. Big clap. Gupta Pooja. Gurav Samruddhi. Jha Kalpana. Next is Jha Preeti. Khan Faizan. Kopde Prabhakar. Congratulations. Puri Neha. Mahadik Archana.
10-15 मिनट
Mandrekar Gaurav. Congratulations. Mishra Anjali. Congrats. Mishra Deepa. Next is Mishra Kanchan. Mishra Kushal Kumar. Congratulations. Mishra Preeti. Mishra Ruchi. Congrats. Mishra Shivchan. Congratulations. Next is Mishra Subhash. Kind request to all, please. Clap should be going on because these are our achievers. Oriana Sadhna. Congratulations. Pathak Saili. Congrats. Pavaskar Rishikesh. Congratulations. Pujari Dipali. Congrats. Next is Puthuseri Lynette. Congratulations. Next is Sharma Vishal. Congrats. Singh Kuldeep. Congratulations. Surve Kiran. Congrats. Taude Aniket. Congrats. Tripathi Ganeshmani. Congratulations. Tripathi Komal. Congrats. Yadav Badame. Congratulations. Yadav Sanjay. Congrats. Last but not the least, Zokande Dheeraj, big congratulations. Congrats to entire batch. A big clap for this. This is very first and close batch to our college. So a big congratulations for you all. This is small slide that we are showing you that we are really feeling proud that you are our first batch of law graduate. Big clap. Very beautiful messages. Every message is very meaningful. Believe you could, so you did it. Thank you so much. Was it easy? No. Worth it? Absolutely. So these messages are very nice. Congratulations. Now I would request all this our Graduates, if someone want to express their views on this occasion, one by one, they can take at least a moment to express their views. So anyone want to speak on this occasion? Any student, law graduates want to express their view on this occasion? So we at least ask our first three rank holder to say few words on this occasion. Starting with Icha Pokle. Icha, are you there?
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Kindly share your views.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Icha Pokle.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. Being in HVPS is like I never thought that I'll get such good I'll meet such good people in my life. I have met few people, and they will be with me till my in this lifetime, in this period. I have learned a lot from this college. Over here, 3 years prior, I was something different, and after that, I have learned a lot in my professional life, in all career aspects. Like many things have helped me out to bring me what I am today. So a big thank you to all my professors, especially our principal, Dr. Mrs. Madhura Kalamkar. Um, I have learned a lot over here, and the teachers which I have met throughout the process of 3 years LLB, they all were good. They helped me in my career, and this as our trustee sir said, this was our first batch, and being the topper of the first batch, or sure, even I'll be remembered for lifetime in the history of the college. So it's a great feeling to be the topper of this college, first batch, first topper. That's it. Thank you all for everything.
Thank you, Icha. Now I would request Mohit, are you there? Mohit Patange, second rank holder.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kindly share your views, Mohit.
Sir, thanks a lot. First of all, good morning to all the dignitaries present over here. It's really been a great pleasure that we are being felicitated, and it's the first batch of HVPS. And to stand as a ranker of the HVPS first batch is definitely an immense pleasure for me. But this journey, to be frank, is impossible without the guidance which all other teachers, professors have provided throughout these 3 years. This journey was actually impossible without your guidance. And to see the transformation, I will like to say it was a competition with my own itself. The Mohit which was 3 years before and the Mohit which is after passing LLB, there is a great difference, and all the credit goes to HVPS and its team. First of all, Honorable Principal Madhura Madam for giving us an opportunity so that we can do something well in our careers. That was the reason where I started LLB, and now I'm really finding a good transformation in myself. So thanks a lot to all of one who have helped me throughout the 3 years, and definitely I'm taking good memories from HVPS. In fact, I'm continuing with HVPS by doing my LLM. So it's another wonderful pleasure thing for me as well as for the institution. As well as now, I'm working in City Civil and Sessions Court as a PA2 additional sessions judge. So all the credit definitely goes to this esteemed institution. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Very good.
Thank you, Mohit. Now, third rank holder Chandra Prakash Pandey is there. Chandra Prakash. I think he has left because of the technical reason. So other people want to say something. Dheeraj, are you going to express your views? Dheeraj Zokhande. Okay, this is a platform actually we provide you all to express your views on this occasion, to say something, to share your experience. Simultaneously, we have given the opportunity through digital platform, wall for messaging all the students are going to message their memories about the college, and we got very good response for it. So those who are not able to say on this occasion, at least they can write us, and your memories are always there in our heart. So moving ahead with the further program, the next is very formal session, that is a delivering vote of thanks. So I would like to request Mrs. Saisha Ghusarkar ma'am kindly deliver a formal vote of thanks for today's ceremony. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Amar sir.
Success of our okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. Saisha Ghusarkar on behalf of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti College of Law. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable session. Let me first of all start by giving a glory to Almighty God for making today's ceremony a resounding success of our first batch of LLB 2017-18. First and foremost, I thank our special chief guest for today, Dr. Rajendra Singh sir, Secretary of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, who despite of his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. UK Nambiar, today's guest of honor, for his valuable contribution. I also thank our management team, Dr. Director of Hindi Vidya Prachar Samiti, Dr. Usha Mukundan ma'am, for her constant support and guidance. I thank my special gratitude is owed to our principal, Dr. Mrs. Madhura Kalamkar, for her instant support for this function. I owe my special gratitude to Professor Amar sir for hosting this ceremony, Neha Naik for her technical support, and all teaching and non-teaching staff. And last but not the least, I will thank all the students for their cooperation in making this function a resounding success. I will leave one inspired quote. I hope your dreams take you to the corners of your smile, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special places your heart has ever known. Have a wonderful and bright future ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Taisha ma'am, for your kind words. I would lastly request everyone to on their videos, because we are going to take one group picture for keeping this memory in our heart. Kindly on your video for a moment so that we can take one group picture with our first batch of law graduates. Everyone, please on your videos. Done. Thank you so much for attending this ceremony. I'm requesting Neha ma'am, please end the meeting, and have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much. Best wishes to all law graduates from the HVPS College of Law.